항공편이 예를 들어서 취소됐다라고 하면 the flight was cancelled. The flight was cancelled. 이런 식으로 그렇죠? 반대로 만약에 좀 연착이 돼서 지연이 됐다면 my flight was delayed. My flight was delayed. 내가 놓쳤다. 비행기를 놓쳤어요. I missed or I missed my plane or I missed my flight. 하셔도 되겠죠. I missed my flight. 자, 그럴 때 써보시면 되겠고요. 자, 계속 나옵니다. flight도 어떻게 쓸 수 있냐면 그러면 얼마나 길었습니까? 비행 시간이 얼마나 됐어요? How long was the flight? or 소유격으로 바꿔서 How long was your flight? 다 가능합니다. 연습해보세요.
네, 그럼 두 번씩 연습을 해볼까요? 자, 지금 보시는 문장 두 번 해볼게요. How long was the flight? How long was the flight? How long was the flight? that을 your로 바꿔볼까요? How long was your flight? One more time. How long was your flight?
자, 도쿄에서 비행기를 갈아탔다라는 말이 되겠죠. 영어로는요, 한 단어로 갑니다. layover. 들어보셨죠? I had a layover in Tokyo 하면 일본에서 도쿄에 내려서 비행기를 갈아타고 왔다라는 얘기입니다. 갑니다.
I had a layover in Tokyo. I had a layover in Tokyo. Let's do it one more time out loud. I had a layover in Tokyo.
자, 그 다음 문장이 되겠습니다. 기내식은 어땠어요? 비행기에서 먹었던 음식은 어땠습니까? How was the food? 비행기를 탄 상태니까 on the plane이 되겠죠? 자, 큰 소리로 여러분 문장 지금 만들어 보세요. Let's do it, everyone.
How was the food on the plane? How was the food on the plane? 자, 다시 한번 해볼까요? How was the food on the plane? 우리가 보통 그러고 한국어로도 뭐 기내식 이렇게 이야기를 하잖아요. You can say in-flight food 해서요. in-flight. 그 비행기 안에서 먹는 음식이니까 기내식이라고 하실 때는 in-flight food라고도 하실 수 있습니다.
자, in-flight 붙이면 또 기내식을 그대로 합성으로 만들 수도 있겠죠. 자, 그 다음은요. 비행을 하면서 잠을 잤다가 있을 수도 있겠고 뭐 책을 읽었다, 영화를 봤다란 말도 있을 수 있겠죠. I read a book 해도 좋은데 그냥 이것저것 읽었다. 신문도 읽고 잡지도 읽고 책을 읽었다 하면 통틀어서 할 수 있는 방법이 바로 이거예요. I did some reading. 좀 읽었다 뭐를. I did some reading and watched a few movies. 영화도 몇 번 봤습니다. 같이 한번 묶어서 해봅니다.
I just did some reading and watched a few movies. I just did some reading and watched a few movies. 다시 한번 강조를 해드리지만 I just did some reading은 그렇죠. 책을 딱 한 권을 본 것이 아니라 뭐 신문도 보고 잡지도 읽고 책도 조금 보고 한 거죠. I just did some reading and watched a few movies.
자, 그럼 오늘 대화 내용을 마지막으로 한번 들어보실 텐데요. 실제 대화 속 인물이라고 생각하세요. 핵심 문장 두 번씩 따라합니다.
Here's the dialogue.
One last time.
How was your flight to Korea? How was your flight to Korea?
It wasn't that bad. It was quite a long flight, though.
How long was the flight? How long was the flight?
About 12 hours altogether. I had a layover in Tokyo. I had a layover in Tokyo.
How was the food on the plane? How was the food on the plane?
Oh, it wasn't that bad. I don't eat too much on the plane.
Did you get some sleep?
No, I just did some reading and watched a few movies. I just did some reading and watched a few movies.
Oh, were there individual screens for each passenger?
Yes, there were. It was very nice to have them.
Okay, coming up next is Tell Me. We're going to go out there and ask this question to our international friends out there. What are we asking?
How was your flight to Korea?
그렇죠. 이제 분명히 비행기 타고 한국에 오셨을 거기 때문에 한국으로 오는 비행편이 어땠습니까? 그럼 아까 했던 질문들 많았었잖아요.
그럼요.
다 하면 될 것 같아요.
Sure.
How was the food on the plane? How long was the flight? Did you enjoy your flight?
Yeah.
Whatever you can ask, right?
Okay, let's take you to Tell Me.
Tell me.
Hi there everyone, 여러분 안녕하세요. I'm Tamiyeon. Tell me. Now today for Unit 272, our question is, how was your flight to Korea? How was your flight to Korea? Well, when I rode the plane here to Korea, it was so long, but I love watching movies. How was your flight to Korea? Let's go ask other people and see how their flight was. Follow me. Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, very good, thank you.
Okay, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Sebastian and I come from France.
Okay, Sebastian, today our question is, how was your flight to Korea?
Very good. I had a flight with Korean Air,
Okay.
so yeah, perfect. No problems, very fast.
All right, well, that's great to hear. So how long was the flight?
I think it was like 11 hours, maybe 12.
Wow,
Yeah.
so 11 to 12 hours. That's
Yeah.
not a short flight.
Yeah, but I mean, it's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
So how was the food on the plane and did you get any sleep?
No, I cannot sleep in the plane. I don't succeed. I had a breakfast and a lunch. The breakfast was excellent. The lunch was
So-so.
not so good. I know after 8 hours in the plane you don't want to eat but you know it's any airlines is the same.
And especially, in the plane, if you don't sleep, then it gets a lot harder.
Yeah.
I was wondering, was it a direct flight or did you
Yeah.
transfer?
Direct flight.
It was a
Yeah.
direct flight
Yeah. from Paris.
Okay, so from Paris to Incheon Airport.
Incheon, yeah.
Okay, and I was wondering, what do you keep yourself occupied in the plane if you don't sleep at all?
Watching movies. Yes, there is a screen in front of
Yes.
my seat, so I watch a few movies, listen to music. I had a book to read.
Okay.
Just waiting also.
Okay.
Yeah, it's long. Yeah.
I think.
Speaking also with my neighbor,
Okay.
so he was very friendly, so it was okay.
That's good. He was
Yeah.
a stranger?
He was from Germany.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, so
But you
that
have to be lucky because sometimes it's just someone very
very mean and
yeah.
not talkative.
Yeah. So
Okay, well, Sebastian and we both have something in common. We like watching movies and not sleeping on the plane. And ever since the 9/11 terrorist attack in the States,
Yeah.
the plane security